So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is Vertex AI training serving a custom model. So first of all, click on start lab and then open the console incognito window like this. Let me show you. Now here you have to just create a workbench. Okay, so here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now here click on I understand and just click on I agree and then click on agree and continue. Now from the navigation menu you have to just find out the Vertex AI. Okay, from here just Vertex AI is located. Now here click on the workbench. You can click on the dashboard also because we have to enable the Vertex AI API. So we'll just wait for the page to fully load. So here basically, wait a second, here you have to click on the enable notebook API. Just click on it. From the top, wait for the API to first of all enable and then we'll create the instance. Okay, so we have to just create the instance. Now here from the navigation menu, in that is the Vertex AI menu, you have to click on the Vertex AI instances and then we have to create it. So just click on the top, you can see here create new, just click on create new. Now from the here task number 1, you can see here the name is present. Copy the name carefully, make sure there is no full stop, semicolon or anything. Just make sure there is no extra space also. Remove it if it's there. Now update the region and zone as per the lab instruction like this. Okay, so once you have updated, you can click on create. Now once you will click on create, it will start creating the Vertex AI workbench. Now sometimes what happens, you get the score instantly, or sometimes you have to wait for the Vertex AI notebook to get ready. You can see here, if I try to check the score, sometimes I get the score and sometimes I don't. So in such cases what you can do, you need to wait for it to get completed. It's showing created, it will show red icon, okay, red checkbox. Then you can end the lab. Okay, I hope you understood. That's how we complete the lab. We have to create the instance.